Hey guys, I just want to make this video to let you know I've been really putting in some thought and I think it's time to release my 200 hours in Liftoff video. A bit of perfectionist and I wanted the sequel to 100 hours to be perfect. But I think the time has come, you know. After a lot of consideration, I've decided that, the product that I have now is what I want to put out. So, yeah, let's just get to it. So, I know lots of people have been looking forward to this. So, without further ado, I'm just going to set it to public and publish the video. Sorry, where was I? Okay, publish the video.